Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix update error in Windows 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update, click Run the Troubleshooter. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type dism.exe /online. /cleanup -image /restore health. Restart system. Third method is open any browser. Copy URL from description and paste it. Click Update now. Open downloaded file. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Media Creation Tool in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Click Accept. Click Next. Click Accept. Check Install Windows 10 and keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.